one-room self-contained electrical installation. Now, at this point, we have changeover switch. Why do we use changeover? In order for us to have alternate source of supply. Is that okay? Now, we have ELCB single phase. ELCB is earth leakage circuit breaker. This earth leakage circuit breaker, its job is to monitor if there is any earth leakage in this installation. It will do what? It will read. Now, from there, it is expected that once you have gotten your changeover has two inputs. One is where you choose to put either the NEPA supply or the generator supply. Most preferably, if you want to get your source of supplies, you should always make sure that you choose the down path to be your what? Generator. While the up should be your NEPA. So in this case, you see that with the help of this, what is the work of this? Isolator. This will give you the freedom to change. That is why you have it this way. In this case, once you put it up, that means you want to get supply from NEPA, while this side is generator. Now, once this is fixed on, it will allow current to flow from here and pass through this output. As you can see it here, this is the output. This one gives current or supply to this ELCB. Now this ELCB will now, if this control is in up position, you see that you see on display. And that is where it can allow current to flow from this output of this changeover to what? This ELCB. Now, from this ELCB, you are going to give supply to this distribution board. This distribution board is a single-phase distribution board, and it is known as D4 single phase. Why do we call it D4 single phase? Because it has 4 pieces of MCB inside. MCB is this, which can allow current to flow, which can give supply to any appliances in a building. It has different ratings, some ranging from 5 amps to 30 amps. That is what you will see there. Is that understood? Now, on this changeover, this distribution box, you see that we have how many terminals? We have neutral bar, we have earth bar, and we have light bar. And this is the control. Once this is in downward position, you see that current that is coming from this ELCB will not pass through. And now it is in on position. That means, and this one also in on position. Once we pick the supply from this, our 3-pin plug, now it will give supply to this changeover. And this changeover, since it is already connected, it can give supply to this, and from here it supply to this main switch. From this main switch now, as you can see, copper bars that is here. You see this one is for neutral, you see this one is for air. So these two now, this one you are looking at is the one that will give supply to this. This, what's the name of this? MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So with the help of this, that is where you, as you can see, it has both input and output. From the output here, it can give supply to any other appliances, as you can see from here. That is why we are tapping the supply from here. Is that okay? So now you check this. This is in off position. Even if there should be supply here, and supply at this, it will never pass to the equipment. And that is why each time you are called to do any maintenance, and it happens that they have either localized lighting or complete shutdown, first observe the position of your MCB, because this is a device that can work when there is overcurrent, when there is a short circuit. Short circuit is when two wires reach together, live and neutral reach together. That is when you have short circuit. Is that understood? Now, at this point, you turn it on. That means you are good to go. Now, once you turn it on like this, it will allow current that is set to supply to this point. This point will have two bulbs here to be controlled by these two gang switch independently. Once you turn this on, either of these bulbs will turn on. Once this one is turned on, the two will be on at the same time. Is that okay? Is there any question? Any question?